Gusto nila, the brief to me was they wanted a building to proclaim them as the number one cable supplier. Kasi they import cables. Para sa cable TV. Yung mga black na kable sa likod ng TV. So may monopoly sila niyan. So they expanded into other cables. So ang produkto nila is anything that has got to do with connectivity. The wires and the connections. And then they ventured into the gadgets themselves. So sila din yung nagsusupply ng mga boosters. May nakikita niya sa SDA, may mga dome na gano'n. Nag-boost ng signal yun, yung wireless. So, they are a mother and daughter team. So, pareho silang babae. So, it compounded their need to establish themselves as dominant figures in the industry. Kasi male-driven yung industry. So, they worked hard. They had an office, but it was really ugly. It's in Green Hills, in a low story, in a 4-story building, a very old building in Connecticut Street. So they called me. They said they wanted to have a new headquarters that will proclaim that they are the dominant player in the field, and they don't want anything feminine about it. They want everything to be masculine. So in short, since they are feminine also, they are a woman and they are a mother and daughter team, gusto nila i-expound or i-elaborate yung pagka-masculine ng character nila. So they may be very feminine but they work like men. So the design concept was precisely to exclaim hubris or yabang. Yun ang concept niya, simple lang. Mayabang. Mayabang yung design. Matayog, mayabang, arrogance in its architectural form. So naturally, my language fit in to the project concept. So ang translation nun will be sharp edges, exaggerated heights and sizes and scale. Kasi apart from being business savvy, they are also very well traveled. So they are aware of what is good design and what is not. So gusto nila yung building nila, apart from declaring dominance in the industry, they want also to have a certain humor to it. While it is very serious, they want some counterpoint humor. So, nag-inject kami ng mga counterpoint forms katulad nung may makikita kayong tatlong itlog doon, yung sa side, tsaka meron nag-iisang itlog sa harap. Okay. That was meant to be a plant box. And although hindi pa nila pinapagawa, they wanted 2 bronze statues of dogs that are actually looking up. It was supposed, kung andito yung itlog, andito yung dalawang aso, and one of them is my dog, yung Schnauzer. And the other one is the dog of the daughter, kasi cage ko lang yung daughter niya, na lab. So yung dalawang aso nakatingin sila sa taas. May glass canopy yun na frosted glass. Yung isang canopy doon, transparent, na I think transparent pa hanggang ngayon. When you look through that transparent canopy, makikita niyo yung ilalim ng malaking canopy doon sa top floor. Tapos may parang sombrero yun na malaki. Andun yung logo nila sa ilalim. That was the whole intention. So pag tinignan mo yung aso, tinignan mo kung ba sila tumitingin. Tapos pagkita mo yung logo nila sa taas, umiilaw. But, unfortunately, hindi nila napagawa yung logo dun sa taas. Kaya hindi namin malagay yung dalawang aso. Pero andun pa rin yata yung clear glass na canopy. So they wanted that. Pero natuloy yung itlog, natuloy yung tatlong itlog sa tabi. May function yung isa plant box, yung isa cover nung transformer room para hindi siya pangit tingnan dun sa tabi. And then the lobby, it is made out of stainless steel. It's double height. It was supposed to project a grand entrance. It's supposed to deliver your sense of arrival in the building with that large door, with that enormous clock at the at the end, and the two elevators. So that was the whole intent. It's really to project a sense of arrival. Hmm.